Copenhagen planks, level 1, we're going to want to have a setup of any necessary padding that you may need for your elbow or your ankle, because we are going to be applying like body weight pressure onto the elbow in a side plank position. And then we want some cushion for the ankle as needed, so that you don't have a excessive amount of pressure that's hurting your ankle as you're doing this. I'm going to be doing this on a 20-inch box with some padding on top, but you can at home do this using your workout bench, even on an ottoman or a couch, as long as it's comfortable for you and as long as it's also stable for you to put your body weight onto this section of your couch. So for setup for level 1, we are going to use both legs, but the goal of the Copenhagen side plank is to really engage those adductor muscles in the inner thigh. So for level 1, I'm going to get into the side plank position. As with any of our exercises that has our weight going through our shoulder, you want to make sure that you actively engage the shoulder girdle, especially around the shoulder blade, of driving the elbow down into the ground to push your body up to keep good spacing around the neck. We never want our body to sag into the shoulder, and we never want that upper calf area by the neck to get excessively tight. So from here, I'm going to place my top leg on top of the pad on the box, and I still have my weight into my elbow. My bottom leg, I'm going to keep knee bent. And again, the whole goal of the exercise is to engage those adductors or the inner thigh. So I'm going to drive my elbow through the ground, core engaged. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on my inner thigh, but I'm going to use that bottom leg to help as much as I need it to help to get a good lift. Okay, so right now I can have 50-50 where I feel like the inner thigh is driving the hip up, but I'm using that left bottom leg to help kind of give me a little push or a lift. So that's going to be our level 1. What percentage help that bottom leg gives you is really up to you. You do need to have a little bit of a mind-body connection of like, how much can I get that inner thigh activated, because I don't want it to just be 100% my bottom leg pushing me up. My top leg is helping me drive my body up. My bottom leg is just acting as just a supplementary push to get me up. Glutes are activated because I want my body to be in a straight line. And I'm going to try to hold this for about 15 to 30 seconds. So that's going to be our level 1 Copenhagen plank. So for level 2, the setup is exactly the same. I'm going to have the same shoulder activation, driving my elbow down into the ground, core is activated. My focus is still the inner thigh, but with level 2, we just don't have the bottom leg helping for the lift. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a hover leg with that bottom leg. So core is engaged. I'm going to give myself a good lift up. And so now this is going to be a level 2 full Copenhagen side plank, all inner thigh keeping me up, core engaged. And I'm going to try to hold this for at least 15 to 30 seconds before I lower myself back down. Core still engaged as I lower. I'm just going to eccentrically control myself back down. And then, of course, we flip and do the other side. So that's going to be level 1 and level 2 of the Copenhagen plank.